Oh, hi. Welcome to our own gallery.
Come on in, let's show you around. But wait, take off your shoes. Not to brag, we'd like to start with our car collection. We've got 2 Lamborghinis and a BMW competition.
My name is Duni and this is GBLagos. We are both fashion designers and art dealers. And we've been in this business for a very long time. How many years now?
If we're counting, like 15 years or more. We decided to do a home gallery because we love to host. We also want to sell an experience because there is a narrative around art collecting and art buying, and some people feel like you can only do that during an exhibition, which discourages some people because when you go to exhibitions, you see the prices and you're like, so this is just to encourage everyone and make them feel at home. And we also did it because some people feel like they don't know how to install the art when they buy them and they just wonder if it would fit in their space. So coming into a space like this, seeing how we've designed our own space and arranged the art would definitely be like a nudge to a lot of people. My current favorite piece would have to be Coffee Time by Onobrakpeya. I love that piece so much. When you look at it, it just excites you.
My favorite piece of all time is by Buraimoh. I love that piece.
Which one?
Dry Land at Last.
Oh yeah.
It gives me hope. It's basically about the bird that Noah sent out of the ark to look at the land, and the dove came back and said, oh, there's dry land at last. Yes.
My all-time favorite piece would definitely be The Last Supper by Onobrakpeya. The piece was created in 1981, and every time I look at it, it just excites me because personally, this is even more personal, it's a piece that I had longed for a very long time, and when we're finally able to lay our hands on it, I was like, yes, I've made it in life.
The collector's experience has actually always been great, and most times they always feel bad that they didn't come earlier. They get so excited every time they come here because of the amazing collection of works that we have.
Yeah.
And
they almost do not want to leave. Do you remember the time we had a collector coming straight from the airport?
Yeah.
She came in late at night, maybe like by 11 p.m.
And she didn't want to leave.
We were literally discussing art till 2 a.m.
Yeah.
And they left with a huge purchase.
Beyond our physical space, we have other outlets that you can visit us on. We're on Artsy and Instagram, GBLagos Art Gallery.
And our website as well, ekoartmarket.com.
We can't wait to see you guys. Peace.